Hi ukulele friends, I got another unboxing for you. Let's see what we've got in here. Oh yay, this is a wireless page turner by the company Lekato. Let's look in deeper. Oh, it's a nice good size. I've seen some where it's just tiny little pedals, you know, kind of like you think like guitar, little circles. These are good sized pedals. I wonder if it's got any charge. Power off. So I will turn the power on. Hey, I see a light. Let's see if I can hook this up to my iPad. So I'm going to walk you through this. I have got I had my iPad on, and I'm going to be going to Bluetooth. And Bluetooth is on, and this is in the settings because I know people find technology very confusing. I've got the power on here, and I see that my little Bluetooth is circling around. It picked up my TV. Let's see, my devices, it's not connected to my phone right now. Other devices, it's still thinking. And this is on and blinking. Bluetooth music pedal came on. Thinking again, so just very simple process here. And it's connected. Let's see what this can do. I have my iPad here on a stand. I'm going to read the instructions because I'm an instruction reader. Switch the power on when repeat is on, and there is a repeat button over here. It says when it's on that long press the pedal. The page will switch continuously until the pedal is released. When the repeat is off, there's no difference between a long press and a short press. Saying probably short press just turns the page. When repeat is on, a long press will. So you have choices here. You have buttons 1, 2, and 3. And if button 1 is on, you have page up and page down. So depending on how your pages are oriented in your device, your tablet, you can go left to right, and that says left to right arrow, up and down arrow, and then there's left mouse click, right mouse click. So depending on which mode you have it on, I think I would be doing number 2. We'll see that it's going to go right to left. Trial and error, huh? Power indication light. So currently mine is flashing green here. It says if it's green, the power is 60% or above. It flashes blue, it's above 30%, and if it's in the red, it's above 20%. So between lower than 30%. Okay. How to connect. Open tablet settings, click. Okay, it's connected. I've done all that. Power nap and wake up. Automatically go into a nap state if it's 25 minutes of inactivity. When it is powered on but not paired with Bluetooth, it will automatically enter a nap state within 5 minutes. So I better get hustling, huh? Let me get up some music. Okay, I've pulled up PD Mac's songbook here, and I'll put a link to that down below. It's a great resource and it's free. Thanks, Pete. Okay, so it's on an up and down configuration, and so watch here. All right, I don't have enough hands. I press, and see, it went one direction. Let me go the other one. And so it takes you down page by page. Oh, I can see so many uses for this. I wonder if it works on my computer. That's when I frequently need it. So I brought up one of my arrangements in my tablet here, and when I scroll on it, you see it's got multiple pages. But I'll bring it down to the first page. I'll be working this here, and I'm pressing. See the little green light? I'll try pressing the other pedal, and nothing's working. So don't know why it would work on the PD Mac and not on mine. The only thing that I can think of is that this might be a document that I have in here rather than a PDF. I'm going to play around a little more with this and get back to you and tell you if I can figure out why this isn't working on that. Well, I just couldn't get it to work on the file that I had. Yes, it is a PDF type of file. It wasn't a document. The only thing that I can figure is it does say that it works with certain apps. In fact, let me get that up here. It works in Books, Music Stand, Next Page, Music Reader, Paperless Music. I don't know if that's an app or not, but recommended apps that it has. And I was using a file that I had in here with the PD Mac. It's downloaded on this. I was using Google Drive to get to my score, and so maybe that's my score. Let me talk like a classical musician. To my chord chart, and that's the only explanation that I have. I'll see if I can change it and put it on my drive here and see if that'll change it. Problem solved. I was able to download it into the Books app and it worked just fine. Well, I have some very encouraging news to report with my laptop. So when I open a PDF in this, not only do I have the ability to scroll up and down, but I can do it just a little bit at a time too. So because I do Zoom jams and group lessons, this is going to be an awesome feature to have working with my laptop computer. Unfortunately, my desktop doesn't have, it has limited Bluetooth capabilities, so I can't use it with my desktop. So thank you so very much to Lekato for sending me this device to check out and to review. What do you think? Do you have a page turner? Do you think you'd want one of these devices to help you with group jams and things like that? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and maybe check out my next video.